Map is a very useful array function, and what it does, it goes over every element in your array, does some kind of function operation, whatever it is you really want, and then it'll return an array with all those manipulations together. So as you see, I have the number array up here of 1, 2, 3, keeping it stupid and easy. And I'm going to come down here and perform a map, and then I'm going to store it in here. And let's just go ahead and we know we're going to console log it on out. And you could do this with not just numbers, strings, objects, anything you want to perform the same operation on inside of an array. So for each value x, so for 1, 2, and 3, let's just multiply it by 10. And we see that as x comes in, the first time it's 1, 1 times 10 is 10. It comes in as 2 is x, so x, or 2 in this case, is 20, 30, and so forth. You could do a myriad of different kinds of functions and manipulations if you want to, but these are the basics to map. If you enjoy this explanation or just enjoy what I'm doing in general, like, share, subscribe. I'd like to hear from you. Have a good day, all right?